I'm Christian Chesnut. Recently, I learned how to travel through time on my bike. Now this video is not only going to show you how I did it, but it's going to show you the actual thing. Hope you enjoy.
When most of us think of time, we usually think of a ticking clock, either analog or digital. But another way to look at time is as a line, because then we can think of it as the fourth dimension. Now what if we were to bend this line, making a curve in it? Then an object traveling in it will resemble a projectile, like a football or an arrow, moving upward in the back of the curve, coming to a peak, and then moving downward, toward the front. But instead of moving upward and downward, it moves faster, then slower. The curve in time later models after the equation y equals x squared divided by 2. In this equation, real time will be represented by 30, so we can think of it as 30 equals 1. The reason for this is that when we get to a peak, time will be moving at 1/30th of a second. When we graph the equation, it becomes a parabola, with the y-axis representing the time rate and the x-axis representing the amount of time spent at each speed. So we start with the point -8:30, with -8 being 8 seconds and 30 being real time. We then move to point -5:15, and this is where time is sped up twice, running for 5 seconds. Then on to -4:10, -3:6, -3:5, -2:3, -2:2, and -1:1. Then we hit the peak at point 0, and start to decelerate back to real time in the positive side of the parabola. In order to film this, I put a tripod on top of my bike's handlebars, therefore showing it from my viewpoint. Now, when going through different speeds, I will be passing through time gears, which turn everything white on acceleration and everything black on deceleration for 1/5 of a second. Now, by going through the warp, I will be traveling a distance that would normally take 4 minutes and 45 seconds in 56 seconds. This will cause my body to separate from itself and then merge after normal time catches up. And now, here it is. Hope it's not too fast.
That was a quadratic time warp. And now, to show you what it looks like from the outside, I'm going to do it again.